Branch protection rules genuinely enforce real requirements, like an approval or a passing test suite, before a pull request can merge into main. In this video, you'll set up a real protection rule. This real setting targets the genuine main branch specifically for the protection rules that follow. These real checkboxes genuinely block a merge until an actual human approval and a passing CI run both exist. Branch protection rules genuinely enforce requirements before a merge is allowed. Required reviews genuinely mean a merge can't happen without real human approval. Required status checks genuinely block a merge until CI actually passes. Add a real branch protection rule requiring at least one approval on your own repo. Ready to see the real difference between forking and cloning?